In today's video, I will explore the env command in Linux. Understanding env command can be incredibly useful for managing environment variables. Stick with me till the end as I will show you 9 practical examples of env in Ubuntu terminal for a clear concept. The env command is short for environment and it is used to display or modify the environment variables in Linux. Environment variables are key value pairs that define the operating system for processes running on it. The env command is commonly used in shell scripts to ensure that the script is executed using the correct interpreter. The syntax includes env command followed by variable and assigned value, and then any command or argument. And to see what options you can use, go to env commands manual with this command. You will see a list of all available options then. Let's exit it with Q. Now I will show you all the examples. To start, let's display the current environment variables. This will show you a list of all the environment variables set in your current session. Moving on, the env command with the I option or ignore environment allows us to clear the current environment. Let's verify that it's indeed empty. In the output, you'll notice that all the existing environment variables have been cleared, leaving only the essential ones like pwd for the new shell. Now let's exit this environment. You can even set an environment variable. In this example, I will set the home variable to a new value. You can see on my terminal that the newly set variable home is on the variable list with its assigned value. Now let's see how to remove or unset a variable from the environment. You must use the U or unset option for this and then the variable name. Now if you closely observe the output, you will notice that home variable is missing from this list. Next, let me show you how you can easily change an environment variable. And for this example, I will use the TZ or time zone variable of the date command. First, I will check its default value. Now I will change the TZ variable and set it to MST time format. If you compare the two outputs of the date command, you will notice that the TZ variable has a different value. The env command can also enable us to display the output without any line breaks. Take a look at the output. You will notice that all the environment variables are displayed in a single line. If you want to check the version of env, execute this command. And this will print out the version on your terminal. Now let's explore the env command a bit more. Once you execute this, you will see a wealth of information, including a list of options with short descriptions, syntax guidelines, and additional online help links. At last, I will explore an important feature of env command that allows us to specify the interpreter for our shell scripts. Let's open the script called script name. Next, write the shebang line to specify bash as the interpreter and write something in it. Save the script with Ctrl S and exit it with Ctrl X. Now, execute the script using the bash interpreter. You will see the message printed on the terminal. That wraps up this tutorial on using env command with 9 practical examples in Linux. Whether you want to display the current variables, modify them, or set new variables for a session, env has got you covered. If you want better insights on env, I would recommend you to explore the article and comments in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux tutorials.